Ji Assalamualaikum. Once again, welcome back to your own channel AR Trainings Official. So today we are going to discuss the top 5 websites that were popular among 3D artists for resources, inspiration and community engagement. So without wasting that time, let's get started. The first one is the Artstation.com. Artstation is a leading platform for digital artists including 3D artists. It's a great place to showcase your portfolio, connect with other artists, and find job opportunities. The site features high quality artwork and serves as a source of inspiration for many in the industry. Moving forward, next we have Polygon.com. Polygon is a community driven website focused on video game art and development. It's an excellent resource for 3D artists working in the gaming industry. The forums are particularly valuable for discussion and, most importantly, sharing knowledge, right? The next one is the blenderartist.org. Blender Artists is a community forum dedicated to Blender users. It's an ideal place for Blender 3D artists to connect, share their work, seek advice, and collaborate. The community is diverse, ranging from beginners to seasoned professionals, right? The next is the cgsociety.org. The CG Society is a long-standing platform that brings together digital artists, including 3D artists. It offers forums, galleries, and articles covering various aspects of digital art creation. The site often features industry news and showcases exceptional artwork, right? The final and the last one is the Gumroad.com. It's a platform where artists can sell their digital products, including 3D models, tutorials, and brushes. Many 3D artists used this platform to show their expertise and monetize their work. It's a useful platform for both buying and selling of assets and educational content. So that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for notification. By the way, if you have any personal project related to 2D drafting, 3D modeling, interior designing, you can reach me out on the WhatsApp or email. So that's all for today. Thanks a lot. Thanks a million. Thanks a bunch.